Teachers only come to you with their personal problems the second they punch out. How many of your teachers, when they're coming to you with all the things that are going on in their life, this not Billy threw up, not Susie has pink eye, blah blah, but my mom, my dad, my sister, my college, blah 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 blah. Okay, multiplied by all the teachers that you have. How much time does that take out of your day? Okay, exactly, by that smile, right? So you can. My advice is you have 2 time slots for personal time, because you're a manager and you're managing humans. So you have 2 time slots for a half hour, 12:30 to 1, and maybe like 2:15 to 2:45. And those are the only time slots that you have. And there's maybe like, so you have 4 15-minute blocks where you can sit down with someone and you have a little sheet and they write down they write their name down and they take it. But before they do that, they punch out. How many teachers would come to you with their problems knowing they weren't getting paid at that time to complain? So they would actually, like, I learned that when I did real estate for a year, and I'm like, I'm not working around Christmas, and my real estate coach goes, oh no, you work around Christmas, because anybody that's looking for a house around Christmas, they're really looking for a house, they're not dilly-dallying, because they need, I'm like, oh, that actually makes sense. So your teachers can listen, you can talk to them, this and that, whatever it is, and did you ever hear that? No. Okay, I thought I said, no, that's fine. I see, you know, when you work in early childhood, your whole that. It was like a squirrel, like that. Do you think that would make a difference in dropping down the amount of complaints and the amount of time your staff would take away if they knew they weren't getting paid for it?